Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Tovae Naturally, and today I'll be doing a bentonite clay mask. I've always wanted to do this and I'm finally doing it. So first we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of the bentonite clay mask. It's specifically the Aztec clay, and I'm pouring it into a non-metal bowl because the Aztec clay, it basically extracts metals, and so if you put this into a metal bowl, it would be extracting all the toxins and chemicals and metals from that bowl. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, which basically causes the clay to have like a chemical reaction going on. And then I'm going to add my oil. So my oil is actually a mixture of different types of oils, like Jamaican black castor oil, argan oil, coconut oil, lavender oil, whatever you could think of. And then I'm adding my water so that I can mix the mixture out perfectly to the right consistency. So now, as you guys can see, my hair is like completely wet. I just went in the, I literally just spent my head in the shower and like made sure my hair was like really wet and damp. And then I went ahead and I got my clay mask, and now I'm applying it to my hair. It was really thick, but thick products work really well for my hair, so this mask was really nice. And guys, it is important to make sure that you're rubbing the mask into the roots of your hair also, not just the ends of your hair, but like the roots going all the way down. So you guys are probably wondering, what is this mask for? Why is she doing it? What are the benefits? Well, the bentonite clay mask, it can be used for any hair type at all, whether your hair is curly, straight, wavy, short, medium, long, whatever hair type you have, this mask is really beneficial. It basically draws out all the chemicals, bacteria, and toxins out of your hair, like all those buildups, whatever is causing your hair to be unhealthy and damaged. It draws out all those bad stuff out of your hair, leaving your hair really healthy, bouncy, defined, and just flawless. Also, as I said before, it is important to like remove all the metals from your body, such as your earrings, your necklace, your ring, whatever. I forgot to remove my necklace, but I removed everything else. And it is also important not to use like a metal spoon when you're mixing the mixture, because the bentonite clay mask will pull out all the metals from that spoon, and you don't want that to happen. And the apple cider vinegar, the reason why I added that to my mask is because it is good for itchy scalp or dandruff or whatever scalp problems that you have. It is good for that, and it also stimulates growth. And it is also the acidic pH of the apple cider vinegar is also good because it helps to close your cuticles, and when your cuticles are closed, it helps to keep in moisture. So it's also really good for moisturizing. This mask is also good for reducing frizz, so it not only moisturizes your hair, but it also removes the frizzes from your hair, making your hair look really defined, bouncy, and healthy. So now that I'm done applying the mask, I will leave it into my hair until it dries and it's rough enough for me to wash it out, which took about like 30 minutes. So now guys, I'm washing out the clay out of my hair, and since it was so hard, it took about like 3 to 5 minutes to wash it out. Some people say it takes like 10 minutes, but it really wasn't that hard for me because I use like the really warm water, and warm water helps to like melt the clay, and so it was really easy to wash out for me. as you guys can see, my hair looked really defined by just using water. So I want y'all to like wait and look how it's gonna look with the shampoo. It's gonna be even more defined. But oh my god, this mask was amazing. So guys, after putting in my conditioner, I was just in love with the definition of my hair. I was like really mesmerized. As you guys can see, I was just like focused on those like curl definitions. But oh my god, this mask was really amazing. My hair has never looked this defined while washing it ever before. My hair is like usually puffy and frizzy when I wash it, but with this mask my hair was just defined. It looked healthy and it also felt healthy. So right here I'm just showing you guys the conditioner that I use. It's the Maui Moisture Conditioner. So yeah, it was really nice. I really like this conditioner, and as you guys can see, I was really surprised. I was like, oh my god, what? And then this is my dry results, guys. My hair was popping. I had everything a natural hair person could ask for. I had definition, volume, bounciness, like it was just really amazing. And these were just some snaps from that day that I took because my hair was just like really flawless. Like, yes girl. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys try out this mask because it's really amazing. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.